Tech Time Tuesday.
Hey there, happy Tech Time Tuesday, or as Eric likes to call it, Taco Tuesdays. Today I'm with Eric, and we have another coach up on the Koni lift. This is an F53. You know what GVWR is?
18K.
18K. And Eric's the senior technician here. He found something interesting. I thought we should put this in a Tech Time video. So Eric, what did you find here?
Well, actually, a customer came in complaining about a harsh ride on the front. We noticed had Sumos, already had Konis on the front and rear. So we decided we're going to do quad shocks on the rear, maybe pull the Sumos off, soften it up a little bit. I went to put the quad shock kit on the rear and realized they had the shocks backwards. The front shocks were on the rear, rears on the front.
Okay.
So definitely going to be valved a little bit different for more weight on the rear. One thing I noticed is front shock mounted on the rear, you actually have to really pry it into the bottom mount. And that's why this shock here, you can see it did scrape a little bit. You know, the dust shield, just the bind it was in was scraping a little bit. So one thing to remember with Koni, most of the time, the smaller the number goes on the front. So
Okay.
18's in the front, 19's in the rear.
They look the same. The front and the rear from the outside look the same,
Well,
don't they?
the rear will not have a dust shield. We can go look at.
Okay, let's look at that.
The dust shield was actually rubbing right here on this mount. You bolt the top bolt up, well, you got to really pry that shock into place because the dust shield's rubbing.
Gotcha.
So.
Okay. Well, we wanted to show this to you, and as you can see from this picture here, here's one of the Konis that actually got scraped off because of that dust shield.
Yeah, putting in a bind.
He didn't have these quads at first, did he?
No. Okay. No, that's when we noticed they were wrong, is when we went to put the quad shocks on. The shock height, I believe, I haven't looked it up, but I don't know if the shock, extended and collapse is different. The 18 and 19s, I'm not sure. I hope it didn't hurt it, but.
Awesome.
We're going to drive it again now and see how it is now before we do anything to the front. See if the ride's a little bit smoother now.
Perfect. And I'll have actually a customer testimonial video with this gentleman. He got a lot done. He got a track bar, he got front and rear sway bars, some radius rods, some other things. He's really equipped this coach. He told me earlier that it felt like driving a waterbed on wheels.
Some of them feel like a boat.
It doesn't sound like a good time to me. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, well, thank you, Eric. Appreciate all the insight on that. Thank you for watching this Tech Time video. Remember to look us up online. We've got videos and stuff like that. We really encourage every driver of a motorhome to go through the RPA process, that road performance assessment. It was because of that assessment and looking through this coach very thoroughly that we were able to find this discrepancy and be able to give that driver a better handling experience. So thank you for watching. As always, we wish you safer and happier driving. Until next Taco Tuesday.
Tech Time Tuesday.